Hello everyone. So today we are diving into something really deep, trying to find meaning and connection when we feel like we are missing something big. Have you ever felt that pain inside, like you're searching for answers? Well, you are not alone. Let's explore together how we can cope when we are feeling lost and maybe just maybe we'll find a little bit of light in the darkness. So, starting, I want you all to get into that sensation when you went through that seeking meaning of your life, meaning the like why you are here, feeling spiritual exploration, like how despair you felt in finding those answers. Enter into that sensation. Now, rate the intensity of your emotion from 1 to 10. Like, how strong is it? Where 1 being the lowest and 10 being the highest. So first we will start with the left nostril breathing. Now we will start with the karate chop, where we will be acknowledging that emptiness in ourselves. Even though I feel this deep emptiness inside me because of lack of divine power, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I feel this emptiness in my heart and soul, like there's something missing out in the divine power, I deeply and completely love and accept myself, even though I have been carrying this heavy feeling of emptiness, as if a part of me is hollow and unfulfilled. I choose to honor this feeling and open myself to healing. Even though I feel this emptiness within me, I deeply and completely accept myself, knowing that I have the power to reconnect with the divine energy and fill this emptiness. Relax. Now we will be moving with the round number 2, where we will be releasing this emptiness, and we will start with the meridian points. I acknowledge this emptiness within me and I choose to release it now. This emptiness in my heart, it feels like there's void within me. This heavy feeling of emptiness, like something essential is missing. But what if I could let go of this emptiness? What if I could fill this void with love and divine energy? This emptiness in my heart. Releasing this emptiness from every cell of your body. Now we are moving to round number 3, where we will be inviting the divine fulfillment in ourselves. So we'll start. I am ready to fill this emptiness with divine love and fulfillment. I choose to release the emptiness and invite divine fulfillment into my life, opening myself up to the possibility of divine love and abundance, filling this void with divine light and energy. I am worthy of divine love and fulfillment, embracing the abundance of the universe, allowing divine energy to flow through me and fill every corner of my being. I am whole, complete, and filled with divine love. I am ready to fill this emptiness with divine love and fulfillment. I am open, I am ready. I am open, I am ready. I am open, I am ready. Relax. Take a deep breath. Release. Now open your eyes. Allow yourself to feel